Welcome to McClellan Ranch Preserve in Cupertino. I'm Sienna.
And I'm Miles.
And we're core members with the Watershed Stewards Program, serving with Grassroots Ecology. Today we'll be learning about habitats.
Habitats are the environments in which animals live. It's where they eat, where they sleep, and where they play. There are 4 important parts to habitats: food, water, shelter, and space. Let's go look at some habitats. Where do you think we should look for a habitat? In the bushes? In the meadow? In the barn?
Let's look in the bushes.
This is a manzanita bush. Manzanitas produce berries that are foods for lots of animals. But if you look closely, you can see an entire habitat. Here, come closer.
This is a gall. Galls are caused by insects releasing chemicals on a plant. That causes the plant to grow faster and swell up, creating the gall we see here. This manzanita gall is caused by aphids that suck the sugary sap from the plant. The gall acts as a habitat for the aphids inside, providing food, water, shelter, and space as they grow. If we were to cut open this gall right here, we would see the aphids inside. This is a great example of just how tiny habitats can be. Next time you go outside, see if you can find a gall or any tiny habitat.
Sometimes animals use human-made structures for habitat, like this barn. Here is the entrance to a beehive. See all the bees flying and crawling into the wall? Inside there, the bees have created a shelter where they are safe from predators. They keep their honey and babies safe inside. When the bees leave the hive, they need lots of space to fly to find food and water.
Bigger animals require bigger environments for their habitat. This meadow provides great habitat for birds and squirrels. Ground squirrels dig holes to create shelter for themselves and their families. Squirrels eat acorns that come from oak trees, and they find shelter in sagebrush and coyote brush. The creek provides water for squirrels and other animals. This meadow provides food and shelter and space for squirrels.
Here's another example of a habitat created by people. Can you spot all 4 parts of a habitat here? The birds here have food in the bird feeder and in the bushes in the meadow. They can find water in the bird bath or the nearby creek. The bushes provide them shelter, and they have space all around the park to fly or nest. Next time you go outside, see if you can find a bird flying. Where is it going? Is it looking for food? Is it nesting? You never know what you're going to find around you.
Today you learned all about habitat. Do you remember what the 4 main parts of habitat are? That's right. Food, water, shelter, and space. Now that you know what a habitat is, I challenge you to go find a habitat around you. Can you find a habitat outside your house? Or when you go on a walk? Habitats are everywhere. So next time you go outside, don't forget to look for animals and their habitats. It's been a great day finding habitats with you. Have a good day.